रसना जपते मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही रसना 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 जपते 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 तू ही रसना जपते एक ओंकार सत नाम करता पुरख निरभउ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
Welcome to the World of Sikhism TV program. I am Kiranpreet Kaur and I have with me Bhai Gurudarshan Singh from the Guru Gobind Singh Foundation in Rockville, Maryland. We're going to continue where we left off. We've been talking about Japji Sahib and we've been on the 26th Pauri by Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
So last time we were in the middle of 26th Pauri. And before we started, and I'm sure that first week of New Year was peaceful, harmonious, and to make it more joyful, more meaningful. And as I'm sure you must have some New Year's resolutions, but it is not late and never too late when it comes to this self-improvement. And in those resolutions, just add that I will take care of myself. I will be more contemplative. I will be more aware of what I do. I will be taking care of my physical appearance. I will take care of my mental state. I will take care of my spiritual state. And once you start taking care of yourself, and it's, you know, it takes care of so many things around us. And you are more peaceful, more contemplative, more purposeful, more meaningful. And small things, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਔਖੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਿਆਲ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿ no, it will not going to solve the problem. You literally, through the meditation, being contemplative, taking care of your Amrit Vela, is our term of Amrit Vela, that before you go to work and spend 5 minutes meditating, just asking yourself that whatever you are doing, where it is taking you. What is the meaning behind it?
Trying to be more aware.
Trying to be more aware. Trying to be more aware. And that little awareness changes the whole dynamics of life. Many times we just don't pay attention to what is going on in life.
We're so busy in our rat race. We're just going, going, going.
That's right. So little meditation and a small prayer, even, you know, the kind of world is we are living, it is becoming more and more dangerous.
Yeah.
And, you know, few months back we have seen in France and Beirut and everywhere how people are behaving, how people are acting, how people are, you know, living their life. And the disturbance is being created and so much anxiety there is. And once we start contemplating on our lives.
Yeah.
And you may not be able to solve the problem. I'm sure that you will not be able to solve the world problems.
Sure.
But you will be more calm, more peaceful, more reflective, and more prayerful, more harmonious. That is the most important thing.
Work on yourself, to work on yourself.
Work on yourself. So bring that resolution in your life, and it will enhance our ability to enjoy our life at the deepest level. And that's what Guru Nanak Dev Ji is teaching us in Japji Sahib. Last time we read the part. Now we will start where we left. Amul karma. Mul karma. The godly deeds are priceless. Karma is deed. And he says, the deeds you do which have long-term ramifications, and for others, for righteous deeds, honest deed. That's what when we were talking about last week, Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave us 3 principles. Naam japna, that get up early in the morning, then work with honest means. Because if you are not earning, you are earning with honest means. Whatever you are eating with that, it creates that kind of environment within you. It is not just the money. It is not just the wealth.
It's
how
your
you are earning
mindset.
it. It's a mindset. It's a mindset. If you have deceived so many people by while earning that, and you will be feeding yourself and your children, your family, and just don't think you are feeding the food. There's so much in it.
The values that you practiced.
You practice.
Getting that money.
Absolutely.
Getting that food.
Absolutely. That's why Guru Sahib laid down the foundation. He said, when you are earning, you are earning with honest means.
Honestly.
That each and every deed you are doing, it is building you. It is making you. It is shaping you. And Guru Sahib says, when you are doing godly deeds, and let me put it this way, when God is in your mind, God means love, compassion, that any deed you are doing becomes godly. That makes that deed a dharm di kirt, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੀਜਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਤ ਕਰਨਾ. ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਤ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਣਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਧਰਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸੁਰਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ. Then you are doing the deeds.
If you're keeping those virtues in your mind.
Values in your mind and doing the deeds, that makes dharm di kirt. Then Vand Shakna becomes your nature, that and you are not sharing with others that they are poor or they are unfortunate. You are sharing with others as God has blessed you, and you are sharing with them as brothers and sisters. Not that they are homeless.
Yeah.
You're sharing as they are part of you. The part of the bigger picture. So that's Guru Sahib says, those deeds are priceless. Amul Furman, the God's Furman, God's Hukam, God's will is priceless. Then Amullo Umul Akhya na jaye. He ultimately says, ਉਹਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਕੀਮਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਖੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ. ਆਖਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ. Even using a priceless word is not even right. ਅਮੁੱਲ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈਗਾ. ਮੁੱਲ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. Priceless ਕਹਿਣਾ ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, because there is no word, such word can describe the state of God. But he is expressing to convey the message. Because a person who has experienced, he has to use our language.
Right.
In order to, then we have our own meanings. He's coming from different angles that we may be able to grab even one sentence. That one sentence will make our life. And Guru Sahib says, mullo mull aakhya na jaye. Odi keemat nahi kahi ja sakdi. Aakh aakh rahe, live life. And those people who are trying to describe God, they are trying to describe so many ways, and even live lake, with contemplation.
What is live?
Intuition. Live launa, surat jodni.
To connect your mind with.
Connect your mind with. And there are people who are trying to connect their mind with, and with that connection, they are expressing God. Still, even from that connection, they will run out of words. They will run out of even expressions. That experience is so powerful. Experience is so great. Experience is so vast. So the words and even that connection, even though you are connected, but you cannot even describe that state. You know, we are talking about God, even you cannot describe the state of flower. ਇੱਕ ਫੁੱਲ ਖਿੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੁੱਲ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਔਖੀ ਹੈ। ਔਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ that you don't have the language, you don't have the right tools, you have the limited power, you have the limitation of language. The thing you're talking about is beyond limits, beyond time. And then Guru Sahib says, आँखें, when it comes to description or expression, who's saying, and he says, आँखें Ved, Path, Puran, the Vedas, the Puranas, they're all talking about the same entity, same God. They are expressing, because people who are the author of Vedas, who are author of Puranas, they're Hindu scriptures,
right?
Scriptures and literature, and their authors also talking about the same thing.
And Guru Nanak Dev Ji, he mentions the Vedas and the Puranas, but do you think that that also applies to other holy scriptures? Like
Absolutely. Whatever was in front of him,
that's what
he's
was
taking the example
common.
of.
That's what
That was the common norm. People were familiar with that, and he will say it. And he says, "Aankhein hai Ved, Path, Puran, aankhein hai pade." Scholars are talking about. Scholar are trying to express or elaborate. Kar hai Vakhyan. Vakhyan means elaboration.
Like Vyakhya.
Vyakhya kar rahe ne.
Okay.
There are the well-read people, scholarly people are trying to explain their own ways.
Right.
Anji, आँखें Brahma, and Brahma is in the Indian subcontinent, and the three entities are seen this way, that Brahma is the creator of the universe,
right,
and Vishnu is the caretaker,
okay,
and the Shiva is the who takes life.
Okay.
And Guru Sahib says, Akhe Brahme. He's talking to those people. He says, the Brahma Ji is also talking about God. What he's saying in the sense, in the next body when we talk about, it says, don't sing the praises of the creation, sing the praises of Creator.
Okay. Like the effects as opposed to what you actually see. Can you explain that?
Yeah. You know, somebody showing you that there is moon.
Okay.
You're holding the finger, you're not seeing where he's showing. You're holding the person who's telling you, you are not holding to where he's trying to take you. Yes, respect, honor,
the creation.
and revere those who have experience, but don't keep holding on to those.
I see.
Experience what they are experiencing. Live where the life source they are connected with. Right? He says, Akhe Brahme. When Guru Sahib is saying Akhe Brahme, that means that creative power is also singing the praises of God. Don't sing the Brahma, sing the who Brahma is singing to. Right? Okay, the Indra. Indra is also, it's one of the deities in Hinduism, they worship. And Guru Sahib says that Indra is also singing God's praises. Sing the God's praises with Indra. Then Akha Gopi, the Gopi is the admirers of Krishna.
Okay.
And they're saying that the Gopis are singing God's praises.
That's a historical reference? There is...
Historical or whatever norm was going, was the prevalent thought at that time.
Those are like a group that you would refer to as the gopis, are people who...
Right.
Okay.
Especially when Krishna was there and he had Gopiyan, his admirers.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And those who were always around Krishna and used to sing his
His
glories and trying to grab Krishna's attraction. And Guru Sahib says the gopis, his Krishna admirers, even Krishna also singing the praise of God.
Gotcha.
Akha Ishar. Ishar is Shiva.
Okay.
Akha Ishar. Akha Siddh. The Siddha, Shiva is also singing God's praises. Siddhas means, Siddha matlab ye hunda pahunchya hoya, the enlightened one. The people who say that they are enlightened, experienced people, learned people, they are also singing the praises of God. They are also talking about God. Akha hai, kite Buddha. Kinne Buddha? Buddha, enlightened beings. Whoever is enlightened has been created. There are also Buddhas because of the God's wisdom.
Right.
All the wise people are also talking about the God's virtues. Akha Danav, Akha Dev. Danav is, a devil.
Okay.
Dev is angels. Even devils are also talking about the higher power. They have their own ways to worship. They have their own ways to worship. Guru Sahib is not even judging them right or wrong.
Gotcha.
He says, in a different fashion, they are also talking about the same power. They are also worshipping the same power. Akha Dev, the angels are worshipping God in their own ways.
Right. Guru Sahib is just using examples, like you were saying before, from all different areas to say everybody is. Everybody, no matter where they're coming from. Like that?
Yes. Yes. Akha Sornar Mon Jan Save. Sornar means the people who have nature of angels. Many times we use this word, this person is an angel.
Yeah.
Many times we looking at the appearance.
Right.
Many times we say this word looking at the virtues or nature.
Right.
This guy is an angel.
Right.
An angel. Innocency, when we use. And Guru Sahib says, Akha Sornar, those people who have angel, nature of angels.
Right.
Munijan means those people who have gone through some, in India, like they keep silent for many, many years. Muni.
Like a vow of silence.
Vow of silence.
Okay.
Right. And he's bringing all the sects and all the people, he says, in a different way. Munijan, Sevak, Sevadars, devotees, they are saying something about God.
So Guru Sahib is saying that even if you took all of the people that are here that are praising him and all the people that have gone before and doubled them, then they still wouldn't be able to describe.
That's right. Ete kite hor kare ta aakh na sake ke. Even as many have been created and living, you double them. Still they will not be able to fully express God.
Right.
And God's virtues, God's vastness. Jevud bhava hai tevud hoy, because it's God's nature. ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ.
As great as they want.
Yeah. ਨਾਨਕ ਜਾਣੈ ਸਾਚਾ ਸੋਏ. How powerful God is, how vast God is, how great God is, only God knows. And then he says, ਜੇ ਕੋ ਆਖੈ ਬੋਲ ਵਿਗਾੜ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸਿਰ ਗਾਵਾਰਾਂ ਗਾਵਾਰ. ਬੋਲ ਵਿਗਾੜ in English, if you say it's arrogant. A person who thinks that he will be or she will be able to talk about God or describe God, or, you know, the Guru Sahib says, Jeko Akhek, somebody thinks that he will be or she will be able to describe it, Talikhisar Gavar. That person's will be, you know, ਉਹਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਮੂਰਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੂਰਖ.
Sir ta likhiye on his sir will be written gavaran gavar.
Gavaran gavar. That person will be a fool. A person considered it is to be not knowing the reality. So this is what Guru Nanak Dev Ji talked about in this body. May God bless us all, that we grab God's virtues, live those virtues, exercise those virtues in our daily life. Mainly those virtues are bring love in your life. Instead of love, we expand. Instead of ego, we shrink. And let us all expand.
Let's use that towards developing new New Year's resolutions as we try to have those resolutions based on Guruji's teachings. This program is brought to you by the National Sikh Center. We're happy to hear any feedback you have, positive or negative, recommendations, all of the above. You can contact us via email at nationalsikhcenter@gmail.com, by phone at 202-270-5528, and you can find our previous episodes on YouTube by searching for The World of Sikhism. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you again soon.
Vaheguru
Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.
ਜਪਤੇ मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक, मृत मंडल एक तू ही। मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक, मृत मंडल एक तू ही। रसना 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 जपते 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 तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही। रसना जपते तू ही तू ही। तुम है पिता तुम ही फोन माता, तुम है मीत हित प्राता। तुम है पिता तुम ही फोन माता, तुम है मीत हित प्राता। रसना 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 जपते 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 तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही। रसना जपते तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही। तुम परवार, तुम है आधारा, तुम है जी प्राण दाता। तुम परवार, तुम है आधारा, तुम है जी प्राण दाता। रसना 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 रसना, जपते 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 तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही रसना, जपते तू ही तू ही तू ही। तुम है खजीना, तुम है जरीना, तुम ही माणक लाला। तुम है खजीना, तुम है खजीना, तुम है जरीना, तुम ही माणक लाला। जपते रसना, जपते तुम है पार जात गुर ते पाए, तो नानक पाए निहाला। तुम है पार जात